I tried to take one. I took one to the hospital last night. It made me puke.
Oh,
Because I got Suboxone in my system.
So what can you do? Pills and
Nothing sulfur until the Suboxone's out of my system, or just take the Suboxone. Yeah, I could do both. I could do methadone, but I wasn't able to get any before I left. But I'll have time with them. 10 more of them times when I get to fantasy.
Okay.
Yeah, they gave me a prescription for 10.
You're fucking weak critical. They're fucking giving you all kinds of offers that you don't even want.
When they see the X-ray, they about shit their pants.
Where's the pen?
Oh, I got some. Another bag. Probably.